cute and fruit design mug. Choose your favorite flavor. I'm very excited because today I'm unboxing my favorite glasses in my favorite color. If you really like these glasses, comment down right now. Must have home appliances. These wall slider will help you to protect your extensions, your cables, and other electronic gadgets like Wi-Fi and your remote controls. Cool gadget you might actually need. This is a mini power bank. It can be used to charge your phone in emergency. It's very lightweighted so you can hang it on your keyring and hook it up in your bedroom. It helps you to charge your phone on the go. Best futuristic space saving furniture for your home. I found this great kitchen space saving idea.